This smells really bad. Two weeks ago I showed you how this native eternal terrarium was doing really well. Today things have changed. There's still way too much water in the system, which resulted in a lot of the plants starting to rot. So I guess you could say this closed terrarium has now become a rot pot. Normally I would leave an ecosphere or terrarium closed when something like this happens, because I think it's interesting to see what happens and what develops. However, in this case, I decided to open it up for maybe a day or two to let the excess water evaporate and hopefully have just the right amount of water in the jar, because one plant is still okay and a few look like they could still recover. This smells really bad. Hopefully this little snail is still doing okay. So hopefully this native terrarium manages to recover, and if not, it will still be interesting to see what developed. Maybe if I had a good cleanup crew of isopods or springtails, this wouldn't have been so bad. But I didn't have any. Maybe next time I'll make a terrarium with a cleanup crew. It's a bit of a short video this week. Next week will be an update on the planted ecosphere. So if you don't want to miss that, and if you don't want to miss what happens with this terrarium, and if you don't want to miss new projects, well, you're going to have to subscribe. Thanks for watching.